This is a 2024 GR Corolla that belongs to my good friend, Jordan. Now, Jordan uses his Corolla for Rallycross, and last year he won 2 class championships. Now, if you know me, you know I love my liveries, and I have Jordan's car today because we're gonna be giving it its 2025 livery. Now, to wrap Jordan's Corolla, we're gonna be using Vicrez vinyl, and the 2 colors we're using are candy paint red and carbon flash metallic. You see Jordan behind me right now, he's actually laying down the lines for the design that he wants to do. How's it looking?
It's looking pretty good. I think this is gonna be kind of snazzy.
If you've never laid down vinyl before, it can be a pretty tough job. So lucky for us, Vicrez vinyl has an installation toolkit. So last time I did this on the Mustang, laying down vinyl, I pretty much just used like installer gloves and some other smaller tools. But this toolkit has pretty much everything you need to include some knifeless tape. Now, Jordan's already laid down kind of the pattern he wants to do on the car. So now that we have a visual representation of that, we're gonna lay down some knifeless tape and start laying down some color. Now, before we lay down the knifeless tape, Jordan's actually taken off all of the PPF. Now, you mentioned that the PPF was just not needed, right?
No, it was not. This was another one of those dealer add-on things that was on the car when we showed up. But, I mean, it really didn't do much.
Yeah, it's all dirty. It looks better now without it, actually.
Yeah.
It looks cleaner.
Yeah, because this stuff started, you can see even here in this ball, it started to turn yellow. So.
Yeah. Not good stuff there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these rear door cups off for you. Ooh. So we didn't do anything. Jordan just removed the antenna so we can go ahead and lay down the top portion of the vinyl. Everything is cleaned and ready to go. So how do you want to do this? You want to start from the top down?
Yeah, we're going to start here with just the roof section. Get this in place, then we'll move on to the sides. We're going to do all of the black first, and then we'll start laying down some of the red.
So we just finished wrapping the roof of the Corolla, and Jordan.
Hell yeah, we did.
And Jordan, we had a little bit of trouble. You guys are gonna end up doing this. Definitely use 2 people because it's pretty difficult to do it on your own. We also found that heat helps the vinyl. It's easier to work with the vinyl with some heat, so we got the heat gun out. But now we're actually moving on to the hood of the Corolla. So let's check this out. Jordan has such a good eye that he hand laid some knifeless tape, and he sort of told me what design we're gonna do. It's gonna be a little bit of black, a little bit of red, a little bit of white in there. So all we have left to do is finish the hood so we can get to the hard stuff.
Oh, absolutely. The hard stuff is the fun stuff.
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. So as you can see right here, we got the knifeless tape laid out. We did do a test again using heat, and then pulling the knifeless tape cuts right through it. Well, we thought this was going to be a quick day, but Ashley pointed out it was not going to be a quick day, and it hasn't been. But anytime you're wrapping something, I think I always undershoot how long it's going to take me, despite all the tools that you have or all the time in the world, and even having a helping hand. But let me show you guys what we got done so far. All right, bro. So, end of the day. I'm tired. You're tired.
Yes.
All right, let's talk about how we ended up here today, because it's been a long process.
Yeah, absolutely. So thanks to our friends over at Vicryze, we were able to get this wrap here. Thank you guys so much. I love these colors, this black, this red, they set it off. Like I said in the beginning, I wanted to pay homage to the GR, that Gazoo racing, but change it up a little bit. And with this flake here in this wrap, I think it really, really does it. This is modeled after the SEMA GR Corolla rally car concept. So if you guys look around the car, you're gonna see some similarities, but we did try and change it up. There's a little bit of RTR in here as well, which I gotta say that I absolutely love. But one thing I will say to anybody who wants to do this, if you do not have any experience having wrapped a vehicle before, get the help of a professional, or if you have a friend who thinks they're a professional, like my friend here. So that is definitely what you're gonna need. This was no joke. We got here about 9 o'clock in the morning, started cleaning the whole car, prepping it. Prepping takes a while because you gotta make sure that this is as clean as possible. And then after you start laying your tape, making sure that you have everything flat. I mean, I don't even know what time it is right now.
Dude, what time is it? Hold on.
What, 5:30, 5 o'clock?
It is 5:58.
Okay.
It's 6 o'clock, dude. Holy cow. And we took one lunch break.
Yep.
Right? We got some energy drinks. We got some food in us. But yeah, it took a long time. And like you said, prepping everything, putting down. We used a lot of Knifeless Tape to get these lines. And just laying that down perfectly, even towards the back here, was a pain in the butt. Just following that body line so we can get it, the red, exactly where we wanted it.
Yeah, and then just trying to mirror it to the other side, getting out the rulers, getting out the measuring tape. We still got to put the mirrors back on. So this.
I know. I just realized we're not even done yet. I didn't even cut this hole out. I'm sorry.
And the thing too is this isn't its final form. So there is still going to be some pieces that we add onto here that we'll show you guys in the B-roll. And then of course there's more to come. This thing right now is sitting on the iBot Pro lift kit. So it's a 1.2 in the front and a 1-inch in the rear. And then we're gonna have wheels come for this thing, get ready for the season, wheels and tires, and then a whole bunch more. But again, thank you to Vicryze for sending this wrap out. I know that you guys are gonna be able to see more here on Brian's channel, and you're gonna absolutely love it. Man, dude, it sets the car off completely.
I know.
Changes
Again, the only thing that I'm like bummed about is just I feel maybe somebody in the comments can put in their opinion, but it's like it's missing just something on the bottom.
Yeah.
Which you have a plan.
I do have a plan. Well, I have a plan. We're gonna execute it. We'll see how it goes. But for right now, definitely big transformation here with the GR Corolla.
I know, it looks so badass. When it was just black and white, I said it like 5 times, Stormtrooper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Stormtrooping hard. And that black, man, too bad the sun's gone because we're so slow. But I wonder if you can see it. You can. Look at that. In the sun, when the sunlight hits this black, it is blinging. And the same thing with the red. You can't really tell the red on camera. I can't tell until I put this in post. But yeah, man, I'm excited. The Rallycross GR Corolla. It's coming along. All right, y'all. Is it? Dude, I'm tired. All right, y'all. It is in fact so late that we had to come to a gas station to get that perfect gas station lighting to show you guys what it looks like, because you can see behind me the sun's gone. The lighting in my garage isn't the best, but I feel really good about what we did here today. Jordan, you feel good, right?
Oh yeah, it looks great. There's still some touches that need to be added. It's not perfect, but she's there. It's way different. Completely changed the car, dude.
It's awesome, dude. It looks like a whole different car. And I'm not sure if you mentioned this earlier because I'm toast right now, but you did lift it, right?
I did.
So how much taller is it now?
It's 1.2 inches in the front and 1 inch in the rear.
Okay, so 2025 season,
Oh,
he's
yeah.
ready.
I gotta tell you, with the wrap and then the lift and everything, it makes me feel like this is a race car. Like I could be a championship driver.
Again.
Oh, yeah, wait, Ricky.
Again. And I mean, yeah, it looks really good. I'm stoked. That black, dude. And even though it's gas station lighting and not sunlight, it just pops. That black sparkle looks really good. Again, I'm jealous that I went with matte black for my Ram, but this looks really good. I'm happy for you. I don't think it looks as good as the Mustang now.
Yeah, I mean, sure. I
Ooh.
would say that the Mustang looks better right now because you helped me put that on today, but once this video airs, nope.
That's over, right out the window.
Absolutely.
No, I'm in love with the Corolla, man. It's looking good. It is evolving. It is becoming the race car you deserve. And again, so real quick, because I know someone's gonna bring this up, it still looks like it's missing something in the back. And Jordan also brought up that towards the rear end, if you look at the car just straight on the back, we really didn't do anything back here. So what's working for it right now, I would say, is the rear diffuser is black and it's really big. But yeah, it's definitely missing something in the back. But in order for them to see that,
They're gonna have to follow me.
you have to check out J-Dub Racing.
Yeah, J-Dub Racing. You can check out any updated videos on this. You can see it when the 2025 season starts, which is, oh crap, that's this month.
That's this month.
Yeah, that's this month. So you'll be able to see some stuff.
Yeah. So it's good stuff. He's been doing really good. The change for this year is you'll be moving into modified.
Yeah, modified all-wheel drive. So that's where the heavy hitters play. And if I want to be a better driver, I got to do that. I've already won the championship in stock all-wheel drive. Why stay there? You know?
Absolutely. Move on up. So man, we got to give a huge shout out to Vicrez for hooking us up with the vinyl wrap. What's next is going to be my Ram Warlock Overland build. But dude, thank you so much for coming.
No problem, man.
I'm excited for the 2025 season to see this car ripping. All right, guys, if you want to see how he's going to wrap up the GR Corolla with the rest of the Vicrez vinyl, make sure to check out his channel or follow him on social media. It's going to be at JDub Racing. I'll put a link down below. As for me, guys, we got a drift event coming in 2 days. The Drift Mustang is almost ready. We just need to do a little quick alignment change, and I've been working on that stuff. But the next drift event is the Clean Culture. It'll be this Saturday, because this video is going to air on Tuesday. I'm holding myself to it. So yes, Clean Culture, Drift Mustang, super excited. Car's doing phenomenal. Just need to change the alignment settings, but that's going to wrap up today's video. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. So whenever you're watching this in the morning or at night, just know this took all day. I don't know what YouTube magic I'm going to pull out, but this is the end. So if you like what you see, if you want to know more about Vicrez vinyl, I'll put a link down below to the tools that we use today and a link to all the vinyl that we use today as well. If you like what you see, leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button. Someone's sneaking in my car. Hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next video. Until next time, guys, peace out.